Welcome to our beginner series on forex trading. In today's video, we are breaking down one of the most important fundamental every forex trader must understand, which is currency pair. If you are new to forex trading, don't worry, I will keep it simple, clear and easy. In forex, currency are always traded in pairs like Euro USD and Great British Pound JPY. The first is called the base currency, while the second is called the quote currency. The exchange rate tells you how much of quote currency you need to buy 1 unit of base currency. If Euro USD is 1.2, it means 1 euro is equivalent to 1.2 US dollar. So if you are buying Euro USD, you are buying euro and selling dollar at that rate. There are 3 types of currency pairs: major pairs, cross pairs and exotic pairs. Major pairs involve the US dollar and the most traded global currency pairs. Cross pairs do not include the US dollar. Exotic pair combine a major currency with one from an emerging market. Understanding how to read and interpret currency pair is crucial. It helps you to analyze the market, spot opportunity and make informed decisions when trading. Master this foundation and you are one step closer to trading like a pro. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, subscribe, like and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my next video. See you in the next one.